Alright guys, let's go. Y'all know where I'm headed. Used car department. See what they got exciting going on over here. Hey, what is this? Whoa. Let's look at the front emblem first. Okay, VW GTI. Have no idea what that stands for. But it's a 2017. Oh, 26,000 miles. GTI. Ladies and gentlemen, from the number of coils, I want to say this is a 4-cylinder. Is that the oil filter? Changing oil. Yes. Wow. Okay, let me go this way and see what's. Yeah, a little Beetlebug Volkswagen. 2017 model. Nothing really fancy to run home about. I would say just different. Okay, some people like different. Okay, no, that's not a stick, guys. Although the handle look like it. This is an automatic. Simply because I see park, reverse, neutral, and drive. All right. What, 5-seater maybe? Not big, not grown size people though. GTI, curious GTI. Anybody out there? Any of you Volkswagen, you independent shop guru, Jack Journals? No, Jack probably see this stuff all the time. What in the world is GTI? Those acronyms stand for. How you get in the rear? I know. Okay, I've been in this bubble too long, guys. Y'all know I don't know nothing but CDJR. I assume you're gonna write up some tires, guys. Yeah, that's brakes and tires are the number one job they do back here as far as used car inspection. But I don't know. Interesting. VW wheels, little mini antenna, no sunroof, guys. I don't know if that would be a deterrent from buying it or not. Let's see how fancy these keys look. Keys, I can tell a lot by car makers' keys. Oh God, these have to be $200 keys. For some reason, guys, now this today's standard. All right, you get a used car, you're gonna have 2 new keys. Yep, built in it. Look at that. It's neat. They got the new style keys. Everybody's switching over to this style, guys. The newer the car, you're gonna start seeing more and more of the new style stuff. Okay. Now, does this has a CD player? Because y'all know some of the media, audio media system is changing also. You may get a USB port and some more other stuff, SD card port, because they're doing away with a lot of that stuff, guys. Yes, I don't like it. I'm not that I don't like it, but I got a lot of CDs. Now, what am I going to do with my CDs? Put them on a thumb drive? On a flash drive? Okay. No, I want to play a physical CD. Y'all remember we used to have our CD collections above the headrest or above the sun visor? When last time y'all seen that going on? It's been a while. It's because times are changing. Curious what kind of oil we putting in here. 5W40, guys. This is Pennzoil Platinum Euro Full Synthetic SAE 5W40. So this not sure where you got the info. Yeah. Oh, okay. It will say give you specs or what. Use only oil that expressly complies with. Y'all see that? Use only oil that expressly complies with VW 502-00. I guess he looked it up and came to the conclusion that this oil expressly complies with VW. All right. Now I don't see a filter here. Maybe because they had to find out what kind of filter go on it, so he had to take them, meaning the parts department, the old filter. Makes sense. Typical diehard battery, guys. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Some of the things other car makers do. Okay. Those red calipers. I don't know if those standard or they was painted. Yeah, like a typical 5-seater, not much trunk space. I'm not sure how to even get in this trunk or in the hatchback. little damage right there, but there live. Oh, this Hellcat still here. What are we doing to this Hellcat? I think we wind up doing brakes on it. Yeah, he went on a test drove it and felt the little vibration. See guys, I'm no big fan of this. I'm sorry. This space is supposed to be for spare tires. But no, what do they give you nowadays? An air pump and a can of Fix-A-Flat. Now, are these standard? How many of you Challenger? This is a Hellcat? How many of you Hellcat Challenger owners, I guess? Is this standard? See, there's some things I don't know. I mean, it's set down and bolted down in there like it came with the car. Oh, this an option? Okay, yes, the fuse box still in the right place. Now, I don't know if that's an option or not, but I do know I'm disappointed there is no spare tire. How much more weight would a spare tire have given this car? Now, does that justify, I mean, the peace of mind that's lost because you don't have a spare tire? Surely not. I'm not talking about a full-size spare tire like that. That's kind of huge, and that will weigh quite a bit. Okay, so with weight comes a little bit, not much, extra emissions, extra gas mileage, but does it outweigh your peace of mind, guys? 3 o'clock in the morning, you're driving, you hit a piece of glass steel. You don't have a flat, you have a blowout. Nothing in that trunk is gonna do anything for that blowout, guys. So yeah, I think they put new tires on. That look like a new tire to y'all? I seen them with some new tires on there, but they did do a brake job. He said he felt some vibration. I guess if you're going 80 and you barely tap on the brake and you feel some vibration, yes, that is rotors maybe. So he's just charging the battery up now, but this car will not sit out there alone, guys, at all. All right, I know some of you inquiring minds want to know, and let's take a peek real quick. And ladies and gentlemen, what we have is, ta-da! Yep, this is typical 6.2 supercharger, I want to say. I'm not sure, but I just did some work on one of these. I ended up doing a power steering pump on one, and I ended up doing power steering system, a rack and pinion on one. But that is a beauty, guys. Look at it. That is nice. Ooh, that's a beauty. All right, SRT. Some lucky customer is going to be happy to get a hold of this. Make a nice gift, wouldn't it? But they got it all checked out, ready to go, ready to hit the sales lot, guys. All right, guys, I'm about to take me a selfie, guys. Might make this my thumbnail picture, guys. So I'm done for now. About to go back on the other side. So that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.